this specific project, I wanted to do something playing with geometries, playing with color. I also wanted to introduce some photographic concepts in a more abstract way, like the use of glass crystal that we have in lenses, the use of light as well, and how transparencies can in a way represent that. Working with 150 megapixel will make my work have more flexibility. I usually have to adapt my images to different kind of formats. Some could be very vertical, some could be very horizontal. As my sets have a lot of work behind, it's always good to be able to have like a master image that can work for verticals and horizontals and even for little crops, and that all of these can come from just working with one image that has enough quality to fit all the formats I need. Well, I like how Phaseone reproduces colors, and that's really important in my work because it's really color-based, and I work a lot the color palettes, and I want them to be represented in the way I've been working them in my pre-production phase. So it's great to see how the final result can really show the colors I've been thinking all through the process.